Hello. In this tutorial I will show you how to select distinct results using the distinct method. I prepared a simple data frame. The column random_bool has different values. So I will select all distinct values. As you can see, Adria is repeating 3 times. As you can see, out of 3 rows, only 2 distinct rows with Adria are selected. If I change this to none, a single row with Adria will be returned because all are the same. The distinct is relative to what columns I select. So if I select just the name and bank_name, the random_bool column is ignored because is not selected. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you want, you can become my Patreon and you will gain access to tutorial files and more.